We are of the view that the petitioner as proceeding had failed to discharge her burden to prove her citizenship. The petition is dismissed.
25 WBC A486 of 2019.
We agree with the opinion. The petition is dismissed. We'll be delivering few more judgments at 2 o'clock. And thereafter we'll rise after delivering those judgments.
May please, Lord. In item number 22, Lordship, may I have an accommodation today, Lordship?
22.
I am facing some difficulties, Lordship.
19 matter.
Lordship.
We are not passing any orders. It matter reach.
Next week, any date, Lordship.
We are not passing any. Will not reach. But 19 matters normally you are not adjourned. Why are you seeking adjournment?
My Lord, I have some problem, my Lord. All my colleague, my Lord. That is why I am, my Lord.
You want moral support?
Lordship, some, my Lord, accommodation. Next week, my Lord. Any day next.
On a request made by Sri Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 2nd of June.
Lordship.
26.
My
Lord, I have a similar prayer.
Item
8, my Lord.
8 is also 19 matter.
19 matter. I am aware, my Lord. 19 matter. It is
When?
listed next week, my Lord.
The second
Well,
by Sri Srinivasan, no? By Sri Srinivasan. Ahmed ki jagah. 26.
I am obliged, my Lord.
Sunday.
This is my Lord. Item number 6 and 7, my Lord.
Hmm.
I could not prepare it, my Lord. I had an injury, my Lord. If my Lord
Okay,
can
when
put
do you
it-
want? Next
Lord-
Friday.
Whenever, my
Okay.
Lord, convenient.
Sri AB, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has made a request for adjournment on personal grounds, para. Accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on, matters are adjourned to be listed on Friday next. Friday would be 5th.
My Lord,
5th.
deeply obliged.
May it please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 1, Lordship. Due to it, conducting counsel is out of the station, Lordship. He is coming today. May adjourn the matter for the day only, Lordship.
Okay, Tuesday.
Yes, must.
On a request made on behalf of Sri HRA Chaudhary. HRA Chaudhary A. Ahmed.
Ahmed.
On behalf of Sri A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. On behalf of Kariji, yeah? Same. 26. 26.
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention item number 13, my Lord.
13.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
Conducting counsel is out of station, my Lord. I am appearing on behalf of M. Alamgir, my Lord.
Again, 19 matter.
Yes, my Lord.
On behalf of
M. Alamgir, my Lord.
A. Alamgir.
Yes, my Lord.
On behalf of Kariji, huh? 26. 26, 36 Kariji. 36. 36.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for the day. Engaged counsel, Mr. H. Ali is out of station, Lordship.
On behalf of HLE, huh? 36.
Obliged, Lordship.
Again to you.
May I please, Your Lordships. Here in this case, I have scans against the judgment and order dated 3/12/2018, my lords. Page 23. Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner post 25th March 1971, my lords. Whereas the inquiry report, page 51. Relevant page is 52, my lords. Inquiry reports submitted by the inquiry officers. The persons being a foreigners in the foreigners in the prime facie against to have enters into the Assam's India with the period of 1166 and 24,371 from
Where-
the yes.
which page is the
page,
your
page
opinion?
52, my lord.
52?
52. Inquiry reports, my lord. So
No, not 50.
Opinion is on 23.
Opinion.
23, is it? Huh?
23.
23.
The judgment, my lord, sir, in this case, my lord, the inquiry officers sent a reference, the
Just a minute. Page 23 is the opinion.
opinions, my lord.
What is the date of the opinion?
Judgments 3/12/2018.
Which FT?
Hemaji Khilapata.
Dhemarji.
FT number 2.
FT number
Yes. Yes, what are your submissions?
my submissions, that's the, here in this case, the
Where is the report?
Fifty.
52.
India. And hence, the recommendation this is against the here decide the matters without jurisdiction. Honorable this court has decide this matters in various cases matter. And the family baby something that we in India.
Very-
The tribunal must insert only the repentance late.
Falani Bibi is which paragraph? Oh, paragraph you have not indicated. You should have given the paragraph indicated the paragraph. Okay, doesn't matter. So that is your only case. We'll be happy if it is between 66 to 71. But there are contra decisions against you that he is not bound if you have no materials to show that you are between 66 to 71. Is not bound to give an opinion between that period. You have to show, you have to have materials.
Yes, that is the.
You're not arguing on the merits. Are you arguing on the merits?
Opinion is given. Very reports means, point, to the petitioner's syntax, and within 66 to 21. And that, other people cannot decide beyond the limitation.
So you will not argue on the other aspects, availability of materials or not.
Availability of this. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, then we will hear, madam.
And the father is son of.
Enquiry report is not a proof. We have held in many cases. That is not a proof. That is only an indication, projected father. Then what is the necessity to contest? You can simply say that in the inquiry, in the report and notice, you have given name of father. You have to establish a link. That will not be a link. Okay, madam will hear her, then if necessary, we'll come back to you on this point. Please have your seat, Mr. Sarkar. The year of birth. No, first, madam, you can address on the ground which Mr. Sarkar is urging, that the report, inquiry report, confines to the period 66 to 71. So therefore, the tribunal would not have jurisdiction to give a declaration of post 71. He could have given a declaration which is confined to that period or 71, or otherwise hold the petitioner to be a citizen. No, what are the decisions contra? He has placed number of decisions. Can you give a copy to madam?
Copy of this,
Compilation.
if you have. Otherwise,
I don't have it.
make a copy from a photostat copy.
Okay, we can have it some other day also. Because this is the only point and we want to be really clear and because there are two lines of decision. We want your assistance.
If
We
there are
want,
two lines of decision, won't it be conflicting? Or unless it won't be conflicting if the second line of decisions have harmonized the first line of decisions, right?
next week, Mr. Sarkar. Heard 3H is Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has primarily argued that the impugned opinion dated 3/12/2018 has been passed without jurisdiction. Full stop. The basis of the aforesaid submission is that the inquiry report had mentioned the stream as 1966-1971, whereas the impugned opinion has declared the the petitioner, within bracket proceedee, a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. He has also cited a number of case laws in this regard. Para, Ms. A. Verma, learned standing counsel, whom an FT has sought for some time to make her submissions. Para, in view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 3rd. Is it okay? 3rd of June? Wednesday, okay. You come prepared, madam. This point we'd like to.
We'll discuss. We'll like bench over. It will resolve কৰিব লাগিব না?
Item 3. Mr. Hawk. Your M Hawk. Judgment is at page. Sona Banu. Banu. Banu Bibi.
Sona Banu.
Opinion is at page 37. Date 28/12. FT 4th.
Very fancy, 19 or let's list it here today. 20 matter.
Yes, Mr. Hawk. Hmm? When is your date of birth? Year of birth. Year of birth. Nineteen 61. And you had filed WS. Which page WS? Nineteen. What is the date of filing of the WS?
Yes, 22.
17. Okay. And how many DWs? And herself and
Secretary of the.
Pan- Panchayat. There are two DWs. Two. Okay, well, it's in the records. DW1 is petitioner. And DW2, Panchayat secretary. Okay. What are your documents? $65. This is not certified.
That is the problem. Hmm.
What was there in page 12? What did you want to show? Who is Abdul Qadir?
Yeah, expert alia. All languages. Otherwise, it is not appear. My father's name is. And my mother's name is Hadara. I'm name also there.
Okay. Not certified. 93 also not certified. Then what documents do you have?
What were the exhibits
1993.
before the tribunal?
1993 voter list, who are there?
Certified copy.
Who is Mansur Munshi? Hmm?
Exhibit 1, certified copy of 65,
No, no.
70. These were not exhibited. 65, certified copy of 70, not exhibited. This is written in the judgment. Count.
Yes.
No, we'll see the records.
Page 39, please. Exhibit.
No, we have to see the records. If you've got exhibit, while you are annex these copies. Let us see the records. Records, sir.
All exhibited.
একটু শুধু এখন এটা কম্পেয়ার উইথ অরিজিনাল ইয়েতে হ্যাঁ 65 বলি আছে এক্সিবিট 1 কিন্তু এটা স্যার আব্দুল কাদের এখানে তো আব্দুল কাদের লিখেছে এখানে এটা কিন্তু হাজারা নহয় তো তো বেলেগ তো নহয় From where have you got Hazira in page 12, Mr. Hawk?
This is okay. This is okay, I think. Moimon Bea, Abdul Kader, but this as a is what looks a little different.
Well, why have you not enclosed? Because see, these original documents you had taken back. It appears that he had indeed produced the certified copy from the records, but certified copy as such are not retained in the record. There is a stamp indicating that it was compared with the originals. But it is not this copy. Page 13 is not this copy. Page 13 is simply an uncertified copy. No, but these documents were with you. If you see the records, we'll be handing over your the records. So that is not, it is certified. We cannot say it's uncertified.
Proved in original.
No, the records are there. We'll verify from the records.
This I'm not being able to.
No, that submission of yours would be would have relevance if he's trying to improve his case. But rather, he's trying to make his case worse. He's trying to show some documents which are not even certified copy. Let us see, but we'll not, there is no prejudice to you. You'll check the records. But you should have enclosed the original.
1970.
Who? No, it cannot be because there is a stamp already compared with the original. It was returned back to you.
Must have been given to him.
Hmm? Advocate.
They are layman lordships. They are only my lord, some impression she has given my lord. She does not know my lord.
Okay, what has happened in 93? Who are there?
See, my lord, well lordships. Sonavan, and my name also appear. Sonavan,
But as a wife of Manse,
lordship.
but the linkage with the father.
Yes. My lord, kindly see, my lord, that is page 18. Linkage with the
93, Manche Munchi. MANSE, Manse Munchi. Husband. And Sonabhanu.
Sonavan.
Mother. 35 years. Which 739, 739. Where from? Where at page 15? Where are the names?
Page 15 also.
456.
Page 15. The second part lordships. Second part.
But you see, what was the age of the husband? Madam, just check the page 15.
71.
What have you written in your type copy? At page 14, what have you written?
That may be typical error.
No, that cannot be typography. These are very serious matters. 71 has been made 39.
Oh, wrong. Yes, sir.
There is no 39 nearby also in the 71.
71 and 35.
No, if you see the original at page 15,
71 and 35.
71, the other nearby ages are not 39, that you could have misread and put 39.
35.
This you have to be careful, not like this. And therefore, the suspicion will arise. Sona Bhanu, and Sona Bhanu is also not 30, she is 35.
Yes, that she is actually, as per Bhutali, she was 35 lordships, but in my translation, it is written as 30.
So how can you make this on your own?
Maybe typical error much from my side.
Husband's name is Mansur Ali, not Mansur Munshi. They're relying on some other person's document to as a husband.
That we do not know as of now. But page 15, the vernacular, if you come to the serial number at
456.
456, and we are side by side, we are also having the records. Records incidentally has the original certified copy. It has said Manse Munchi, son of Moidin,
Moidin.
male 71 years. Then Sona Bhanu, she is the husband or whatever, Manser MANSER, 35. Or the name above her is Manse Munchi. And this is Manser. Maybe the same name, we do not know. No, no Manser hai. Or records at Bilek. Records at 7135. Okay.
Page 16, my lord. My name, it is in my against my name, my lord, he appeared.
So your name first time appeared in the year 1993 at the age of 35. So what about your previous voters list? 1993, you were 35 years old with your husband. When was the marriage?
Let's see, my lord.
Year of birth, we say 1961.
Page 18, my lord.
Page 18. What is 18?
This certificate issued by my lord. Authorised secretary.
Now can you give the date of marriage? We'll go to the certified copy later serially. Marriage was which date? Not there.
Cases is full of chip. My date of marriage is not written.
In a written statement, did you make any statement when you had got married?
Examination, there is just an examination in chief lordship. There's just one statement at paragraph 10, page 31, that after my marriage, I applied for enrollment of my name in the voters list at village Kirakara. This only after she got married, she applied for her name to be enlisted lordship.
No, that is natural. If you shift to your matrimonial home, you can make a application for registering your name. But the question will remain that there is a voter list of 1993 where your age is 35. So the question is that where were you in the earlier voters list? Why your name was not enlisted in the earlier any previous voters list? You have attained the age of voting when?
1980.
1980. So what is your link certificate?
Issued by the secretary.
Gaon Panchayat. Let us go serially, then 2 more pages only. 14, 15 we have seen. And what about 16?
My voter name.
18 voter list.
Yes.
Not.
And declared deal or chips.
Then you are banking upon this certificate dated 29 July 2015 by the Gaon Panchayat, page 18.
Lordship.
Let us see that, let us examine that. 29/7/15. Page 18. Sona Bhanu Bibi. Abdul Kadir. Please read.
Donavano Nibu Lordship. Daughter of Abdul Kadir. And Hajara Hatsan. Test mother, number of Aforia. Under Mongol, Dorang district account, who is aged about 54 years, was a resident within the this gap minor, this is blank minor. Sona Bhanu got married. He returned by the
Got married
got married, but the other married should be minor.
to Sona Bhanu.
Should be minor.
Got married.
Again, he has written Sona Bhanu. Her husband name.
What is the name of the husband?
Monsieur.
Where is Monsieur here? Name Monsieur?
Senator Moinuddin Ali.
Monsieur is not even there.
Moinuddin Ali.
You have a terrible case.
It is true.
Only document which you have relied, your husband's name is also not there. Even husband's name would not have made much of a difference. But your husband's name is not there.
My lord, kindly peruse the linkage, my lord, evidence adduced by the secretary lordship, literally it is not in my hand, lordship, it is not record, my lord. Kindly on that ground, my lord, your lordship may pass the,
Secretary's evidence.
yes, lord. I'm sorry, my lord, my director left hand.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. The secretary's evidence is which page? It's in the records.
Yeah, okay. Not here.
He has not enclosed.
One with the miller who is the younger brother of the
First, let us see the secretary's evidence.
It is reflected in the opinion miller case for
Page.
43. Matching reported. Careful.
Mendes. Okay. We have read the deposition of, where is your colleague? Mr. Hawk, he said two DWs. There are three DWs.
Yes, my lord.
He said two.
Zohiruddin, my lord, DW3, my lord.
Should be correct in making the statements of facts.
DW3.
Three DWs.
Yes, my lord. 3 DW, my lord.
He's a brother.
You are the
Zohiruddin is
petitioner.
the brother, yes.
He's the brother.
You do not know.
Stated to be the brother.
That, my lord, that was disclosed in evidence, my lord. Yes, 33.
So, Mr. Hawk, which document or what materials are you relying in your challenge?
That,
This is the
they
linkage
will accept
document.
those,
Hmm?
evidence, my lord, on certificate that was not also, my lord, husband's name was not recorded.
No, even the Panchayat secretary, his deposition has demolished everything.
Yes, my lord.
We have just checked the deposition at page 108.
Yes.
He has said there are two dates in the certificate. It was issued on the basis of some photocopies of documents submitted with the petitioner. He doesn't know the petitioner personally. He doesn't know the father, and he had joined the post just 1 month before the issuing of the certificate. Page 108. Nothing.
Records.
Records. And brother, anything brother has said?
The brother, he said, my lord, that was recorded at 44, my lord, in the last paragraph.
No, have you enclosed? You have not enclosed.
The brother got in, but the name of the brother was disclosed, my lord. At page 33, my lord, in her evidence, my lord.
Zahiruddin.
I have 17, my lord. And I have 4 brothers, namely Ahmed Ali, Alia, Hanif Ali, Zahir Ali, and Rohit. My brother.
Page 10. 1, 2. Records. This, rotate. But he has not helped you, brother. OP did not state anything to show that he is her brother. That is his statement. He doesn't know the marriage date. He doesn't know about he has said that the certificate does not disclose anything. At page 112 of the records. So what are your materials? No materials. May not be a case at all. No materials at all. Yes, madam.
Yes, yes, so he has 5 brothers and 4 sisters.
Who
Not names
the
before.
proceeding has stated.
Yes, Lordship.
So, WS page
19, Lordship.
stated about
Paragraph,
four brothers
yes,
and five sisters.
5 sisters. At paragraph 18, she says, I have 5 brothers.
Five brothers. And
And 4 sisters. But there's no voters list with the parents and no documentary proof of any kind has been placed before the tribunal that she has brothers and sisters who are present.
names of the siblings stated in the WS.
Yeah.
With
Brothers' names are-
Jahiruddin is there. Jahiruddin is there.
Ahidruddin is there at number 5.
This WS was filed when? 17/4/2018. 17/4/2018.
17/4.
Hmm.
Yes.
Jaharuddin. Jaharuddin.
Now, Lordship, the voters list which have been exhibited at 65 and 93. 65 is with the father, and father is supposed to have died 1001.
Where has it been stated?
Lordship, it is
2001 father had passed away.
He has stated it.
আচ্ছা একটু ফাইলটা আমি অনলাইন করে রাখতে হবে।
Just in the detail statement, it
So,
is
no,
written-
her grandfather died prior to 1965. And she lost her father during her childhood. The year is not mentioned, but I think I saw it. It doesn't help her because her father's name and her mother's name also do not figure together in any voters list lordship. And their extract copies, not certified copies, cannot be taken as an admissible piece of. I do not know about the records.
Records are there.
Then lordship, the GP certificate, that is the only linked document which she's relying on. Rupajan Begum says that also lordship. She has no case at all. Firstly, it is a document only to show the linkage of a girl from her parental home to her married home lordship. It is not a document to prove.
But the name of the husband itself is wrongly written.
It is wrong.
So how do you rely upon the document?
It has no authenticity at all lordship. If the names are incorrect, it may not be her document. And being born in the year lordship 1961, she ought to have documents with her projected father, mother, brothers, sisters. Not a single document.
1961.
If she's 1961 born. And not a single document to show her with any of her family members.
Mother is still there.
It's written mother is still there, putting also.
No details about mother, whether she is there or not.
Nothing, no.
Father died during her child.
Childhood. When she got married, that is also no date, nothing. Interesting part is there are 9 of them, but none of the children's name figure with the parents' lordship.
Jahiruddin, did he exhibit any documents to show any linkage with him,
Nothing.
with the proceedee or with the projected parents? No.
Not, they have not exhibited anything. If there's in the record, nothing lordship. A single document shows a linkage with a projected father or her brother's lordship may kindly see that the GP certificate is also not in the correct names. There are a lot of errors there also. And even if it was correct, then this has to be proved. Nothing in the case at all, not a single document.
Okay. Any CGC present in the court? নাথাকিলে নেদেখো দে বিচাৰি বিচাৰি কি লিখিব লাগে Okay, we'll consider.
Soft.
Asok, Hok no Asok. Asok and Madam Verma and Kolita P. Sharma. CGC লিখিব নালাগে দে নাথাকিলে আমি বিচাৰি বিচাৰি নেদেখো আৰু
It's okay. Leave.
Central government not represented বুলি লিখি দিবা তোৰ জোখ হিচাপে ল'ব নোৱাৰে everything. Yes.
Item 4.
I think
সেইটো কি কৰিব মই একো নকৰিব
Open now.
No, no,
Only
open
his
not.
notes.
Different. Log is the knowledge of my list.
I get a complete course.
Or more liquid. It moved. Yes, next is yours. Record to the এইটোৰ পিছত আৰু বেলেগ
কাগজ লাগিব
বেঞ্চ নাথাকিব নহয় দেখিব লাগিব এইটোৰ পিছত
Uh-huh.
এইটোৰ পিছত বেলেগ হিয়াৰিং নাপাম আৰু দুটা বজাত আমাৰ ইয়াত দিম মোচন আছে নেকি আজি মোচন আছে নেকি 26ৰ মোচন আছে নেকি
বহুত আছে motion.
হা
All 19. আছে দুটামান আছে দুটা আছে
So this bench will not be there next week. So we'll finish up the motion. There are 26 motions for the first because we have to issue notice or whatever. And we'll have your case. 2 o'clock we are sitting for delivering certain judgments. Thereafter we'll rise, but we'll complete the motion. A new matter that you wait for a while, Mr.
26.
Councils are there.
Motion.
26 motions are there.
29 motions, but the new ones are 26 and
Yeah,
29.
only
We only take up the new motion
only 2.
because some motions are because they are called for.
Yes,
Those we cannot give precedence over 19 matters. We'll take 19 matters. We'll take Mr. Hawk's matter. But those 2 matters we can issue notice. Councils are there?
গম নাপাব না বোৰ্ডত চাই পেলাই গম নাপাব
They may not be knowing that we'll take up. You can
You can check the date of the opinion, lordship.
no, you can inform them. Who are they? Council?
This is Islam and
জি আহমেদ
pilot phone number.
দাস
Hmm?
তিনটা আছে
I thought I displayed it. Item numbers will be taken. Councils are requested to come to the court. Okay? Yes. But hearing, this should be the last hearing. Otherwise, there will be some disruption. Next week, this bench is not continuing. Yes, Mr. Hawk. এইটো কৰি motion to follow. But motions which are actually in the sense of motion, first time it has come for issuance of notice.
5566
এইটো তুমি লিখিব হ'লে এইটো আগৰ মই ভালকে নোট কৰিলো
It's whatever, not.
ভয়েস ডিস্টর্ব করে এআই করেছিল না
Let's start করে।
আব্দুল মান্নাফ alias মান্নাফ আলী মুন্নাফ আলী ও মান্নাফ মুন্নাফ date of the opinion page
Is my lord 36, my lord.
36
36.
fifteen to 19 FT what? Number 2. FT Bongaigaon number 2. Mobhayapuri. Your date of birth, year of birth,
1970.
70?
1970.
and how many DWs?
2. Including the petitioner, my lord.
DW1 is the petitioner
DW1 is a petitioner.
and DW2
Brother.
brothers. Written statement filed on where is the which page?
My lord, 21.
21.
And then, my lord, first.
1, 3, 14.
Yes. 1.
Okay.
Then, my lord, so also to the my lord, opinion, my lord, the petitioner had executed, my lord, the first of 19 exhibit C.
Show us the
My
document.
question and the list of 19 that base 30 on
1, 3.
other thing and mother thing of the report is my lord.
Just a minute. 2000 and voter list of 1966. Who's there?
The Sadar Ali is father, my lord, and Modirun Nessa is mother. Other my lord, Modirun Nessa is also known as Moirun Nessa. But in the voter list, my lord, it is written as Modirun Nessa.
Moziron.
Yes.
Okay, then which village?
Village my lord,
Hut-
Hutkura part 2 my lord,
Hutkura.
part 2 under Boingao district.
This is exhibit what?
Exhibit A, exhibit my lord. Exhibit A my lord.
A.
Yes.
Hutkura. Hutkura. দ্বিতীয় খণ্ড part 2. Okay. Next is 70.
Yes, my 17 my lord. One name my lord, the same place.
Sadar Ali.
There are Mozigan Nessa.
43. Moziran. Exhibit B. Yes.
They are from the petitioner's father died my lord, and they have shifted my lord.
When did he die?
The date of death is not recorded my lord. I remember 1917. They have shifted to village, well, page 24, Mallet paragraph 5, Mallet. Then my father died at Whitfield village, and after 2 years of the death of my father, I had shifted to village, Ishwarjari part 1, along with my mother and brother. After complete blood erosion at Whitfield village. It's found it at the village, and my name was recorded in the electoral roll of 1985.
85 is Moriam Nessa.
Moiran Nessa, Mallet. That
Mor-
Moziran Nessa now becomes Moiran Nessa.
Moriam Nessa. The problem.
Exhibit C. Total list of 1985.
Additional voter list.
Tyler?
Additional voter
Not
list.
additional. Absolute voter list, 1985 voter
No,
list.
this is additional voter list. It's written there.
This is there.
Who's there? Morion.
Instead of Moziron Nessa, now Moiram Nessa, Abdul Muttalib is
Morion.
related person's father only.
Nessa is your mother.
Yes, sir. Abdul Muttalib brother. Abdul Mannar, well, related person's father only, and his age was shown as this as 21. Is 16 members.
$21. Okay.
His name was also recorded the electoral of 1997 Mallet. That was exhibited as a.
This is additional voter list is exhibit C.
Mhm.
1985 additional voters C.
Yes, yes, that's the exhibit C.
Any material to indicate that Moriam Nessa and Moziron Nessa is same.
Yes, yes,
Otherwise, his name figures. Yeah.
yes.
Abdul Manaf.
But the related persons name the same, Southerly.
Morion.
Father's name is
Morion.
Therefore, Mallet, his name was recorded in
Sodar.
the electoral of 1997 Mallet.
Sodar. Sodar.
It as exhibit D Mallet.
Whose name?
Page 17 Mallet. Petitioner's own name Mallet. Abdul Mannar, along with his wife Mallet.
1997.
The same village is very part of.
Sukima. Sukima. Sukima or Sukina? Sukima.
Sukima.
Sukina, so we should have Sukina.
Sukima is written. No.
So, subsequent voter list it was written as Sokina.
This is Sokima.
Has the 2011 voters list been exhibited?
Yes, sir, executive yes.
Exhibited. So that indicates your name, Abdul Manaf, with Sadar Ali.
Abdul Manna, dated for Sadar Ali, his wife Sokina.
এখন হবো।
This is the same. Like.
But this was not accepted by the tribunal.
Hello?
2011 voters list.
That was discarded, my lord, it was written in the opinion, my lord, the merit, page 38, my lord.
Hmm.
Due to, since they have discarded on the ground that it was translated copy of the voter list
Oh.
into English.
We can check it.
So that was not.
Because it has your name, Abdul Manaf Sadar Ali.
We see from the never translated copies of voter list of the year 1997, 2011, and 2015 cannot be considered as secondary evidence as such. The same are not conclusive proof of determining citizenship.
Who are this Anwara Khatun and Anwara Hussain? In your voters list,
Yes, my lord.
in the same house, who are they?
Yes, these two names were included, but petitioner is not related.
In the same house.
Same house, that is shown the same house.
Sir, how do you say that this Abdul Manaf is you? Anwara Khatun, Anwara Hussain, page 618.
Yeah.
Tolar Dudanam.
Hmm.
Same house.
Same house. With Anwara Khatun.
Anwara Khatun, and these are connection with Nur Haq.
Are they relatives? Village Iswajari. NC Ramkonda. So,
36 and 20. Fifteen is what? Page 19. Two 2015 voters list. Where are you? Abdul Manaf.
not there.
Who are this person?
Is it brother? Brother to them.
But without the father, mother, or the petitioner.
Father is there.
Who is the brother?
There's a.
Who is the brother? Who is Mozibur?
Yes.
Mozibar. Have you stated about your siblings in the written statement? Okay, let us complete the documents, then we'll go back to that question. And page 20 is what? This 15 was exhibited as proved as exhibit what? 2015, page 19,
Exhibit F.
F.
Yeah.
And the Gram Panchayat,
Also said it was the details I know. Exhibit
exhibit,
I. EW2, my lord.
exhibit I, please read Abdul Manaf Ali, Sadar Ali. He, others. This Gram Panchayat secretary had deposed. Deposed as?
The brother has because.
Oh no, this was not proved.
Only his brother was examined, my lord. Position of him.
What did the brother say? See, brother has no connection, documentary connection with the petitioner. He has exhibited exhibit F, showing Mazibur Rahman to be the son of Sadar Ali. And therefore, you are trying to build the connection that your father is also Sadar Ali. So this Majibur is your brother. So, but here, if you see that voters list of 2015 at page 19, apart from Mazibur Rahman, there is another
Two names.
not student, Abdul Matin, who is the son of Sadar Ali. There is another person, son of Sadiq Ali. Sadiq Ali, let us ignore. It's a different person. But Sadar Ali has got another son, Abdul Matin. Abdul Matin age is 23 years. So the question which we'll be asking is in the written statement, is the disclosure that you have brothers so and so.
No, I don't think so. There was one reference proceeding against a brother, right? Mujibur Rahman, but in your favor,
Yes.
not a foreigner. But this mention is not, this person is not mentioned in the written statement.
Written statement, what did you reveal? What did you disclose, Mr. Hawk? In the written statement, what are the disclosures made? Page 21 is your written statement, isn't it? Let's see.
Basically, my lord, here it was tried to establish his link with his mother and father. The other name is there, my lord, Abdul Matin.
In the written statement.
Evidence, my lord. Abdul Matin's name is there. But Abdul Matin.
There is no mention about any siblings in the written statement. Written statement.
The WS there is basically no mention. Only father, so only name was reported by the voter list. Party speech only. Evidence, my lord.
Have you mentioned the name of your parents? Mother's name. Father's name is not there. Please check, Mr. Hawk. You have stated that the name of the father of the opposite party has been enrolled. What is his name? You have not stated.
Not given. Anyway, but the document, if it's there, you can see.
কব লাগিব written statement তেতিয়াহে কব লাগিব written statement his my father এখানে এখন document
Beyond this, go beyond
names
otherwise,
কব লাগিব ন সৰ্বানন্দত কৈছে
beyond reading.
না সৰ্বানন্দত কৈছে name your date of birth place of birth
All these things should
name
be
of
stated.
and in cases some cases grandfather also
That's not was written in the matter mentioned in the evidence. Paragraph 4 was that both father and mother are genuine Indian citizen. My father's name is Father Ali. Father, his father is his father. My mother's name is Mojurin Nessa and nickname is Mojurin Nessa.
Unfortunately, even in the verification of your written statement at page 22, you have failed to give the name of your father. Normally, in the verification, it comes son of so and so. That also has not come.
Mhm.
That could not have been a part of the pleadings, but at least an argument could have been developed that yes, father's name has been disclosed. That even that is not available to you. Part of it. Follow.
Just 2 minutes.
We'll have a small break of 5 minutes.
Just one.
Yes, Mr. Hawk.
Just father was there, father's name was not.
Where?
Written statement.
Oh, but name is not there.
Name is not. Father's name, only said that my father's name was recorded in so and so, so and so. But who is father? Father after Sadar Ali, that was not meant. But the other matter was equals to the tribunal matter.
Page
Perfect and the statement matter that is T4 matter.
3-4.
So Mujibur Rahman. Mujibur Rahman is having separate matter totally his own total because it's fundamental all the three brothers matter are having separate voter house number separate voter. They got separated now.
Please read the vernacular.
And the page 35 of it.
Mazibor.
Mujibur Rahman is over here. Sadar Ali, so very happy. They go to Mara. So one people it was from
Please read properly. বিপরীত পক্ষ মোর সৰু ভাই হয়।
মই নাজানো। মই লিখা পঢ়া জানো। মা জীয়াই আছে।
তেওঁৰ father died 1983.
মোৰ নাম আৰু মাৰ নাম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত একেলগে নাই।
ভোটাৰ তালিকাত একেলগে নাই।
মোৰ নাম মই আৰু মোৰ মাকে গাঁৱতে থাকো। বিপৰীত পক্ষ what is the last line? বিপৰীত পক্ষ না বিপৰীত পক্ষ আৰু নেকি what আৰু মোৰ নাম ভোটাৰ
ভোটাৰ তালিকাত একেলগে নাই।
oh he does not have shared his name with the mother in the same voters list. He does not share the name with his brother in the same voters list. And mother is alive. Father passed away in 1983.
Other died 19.
And mother stays in the same village.
Yes. The mother is living with Mujibur.
But the name is not there. মা জিয়াই আছে,
আছে,
মোৰ নাম
মোৰ নাম, মাৰ
নাম ভোটাৰ
ভোটাৰ
তালিকাত নাই, মই আৰু মা একে গাঁৱতে থাকো।
বিপৰীত পক্ষ আৰু মোৰ নাম ভোটাৰ তালিকাত একেলগে নাই।
Another aspect of the matter, my lord, that Mujibur Rahman, my lord, who is claiming to be
Brother.
the other, my lord, he was earlier declared as Indian, my lord. Exhibit that was exhibited as exhibit I know.
Page,
IJ, sorry, J, my lord.
page,
That was not NS with this, but it is on the report.
it was pleaded.
But it was in the exhibited.
Pleaded or not?
I think it's there. The written statement, I think it is there.
Mentioned.
It is mentioned. Yes. Para 11.
Paragraph, page 22, paragraph 11, my lord.
Paragraph
11.
4223.
That the foreign student of Goa received notice upon the brother of the public party namely Mujibur Rahman, height case and so, and in that case, the honorable member foreign student of Goa has passed its judgment over the court. I think thereby, this is the case. Prohibition with the declaration that of the brother of the present is not a part of it.
The only sustainable point or point for consideration is that there is one brother Mojibur who had faced a similar proceeding, and that proceeding had culminated in an opinion in favor of your brother. And therefore, since you are the brother of Mojibur, you should be given the same benefit. That is the best case you can project. Because Mojibur evidence is not helping you.
The petitioner, although my lord, own name was not recorded with his father, my lord, but father, my lord, his name was recorded, my lord, at the age of 21 years. Photo of 1985.
But you do not have a single voters list or a document where you and Mojibur are together.
Yes, sir. I think. There in this case, my lord,
So in absence of that, an opinion rendered in favor of one Mojibur, how will it help you if there is no common document? We do not know what Mojibur had projected before the tribunal. We do not even know that Mojibur in the document projected what was the name of the mother projected. Here he is saying the mother is Mojiron or Moiron. Murian. Okay. Yes, madam.
I do not find any document of his to link him with his parents' lordship. The documents,
No document to link with parent.
yes, lordship. But they all scattered, nothing together. Father died in 1983. Said, but prior to that, his father and mother, the name discrepancies are there. Mojiron becomes Moirom. 1970, then the 85 voters list shifting is there. He's explained it as erosion. The second brother's name do not figure. It ought to have been there with Abdul Manaf. 85, he was not separated. Their family must have been together. There is no explanation to that. Only in 2015, he comes up for the first time with one voters list. So there's no explanation to that also, Lordship. Then there's a big jump from 70 to 85. 85 to then he comes to 97. His own family starts. He and his wife, the mother is missing here. In 2011, the petitioner, his wife, and two other names, no explanation to that, though the house numbers are same. In Lordship, 2015, suddenly his brother appears at the age of 56. Why there is no voters list him with his brother or with his father
Unbelievable.
and brother and
This brother, madam, this brother who had deposed, he is not Abdul Muttalib. Abdul Muttalib has not come. In 85, there is a brother who's,
yes, he's not there.
he has
Lordship.
not come as DW.
Somebody-
And this brother, Abdul Muttalib, is older than the petitioner.
Yes,
85, we can understand he becomes 21 years of age.
yes.
So he votes for the first time in 85.
His brother,
Brother is Abdul Muttalib,
yes,
24 years.
24.
And the person who has come does not have a common voters list.
No, and not with the father. Only the common thing is Sadar Ali, he has 5 aliases, the father. So somewhere is Sardar, somewhere is Sardar Ali, somewhere is Sheikh Sardar also. So they have managed to project themselves with the name voters list on the basis of Sardar Lordship. That has been the key word. And if Lordship will see, his father has 5 aliases. In his evidence, he has stated at paragraph 4 that both my father and mother are genuine Indian citizens. My father's name is Sardar Ali, Sardaruddin Sheikh. Sardar and Sardaruddin Sheikh are the nicknames of my grandfather.
Hmm.
So his father.
Several
himself has-
aliases. Not helpful.
His father himself has 3 names. So whichever document they could get to connect themselves, they have taken and the only common thing is Sardar, nothing else. The brothers do not come together. Mother, father, and the family doesn't come together in any document, Lordship. Just mentioning or Lordship producing voters list, but not verifying them, not proving them, does not grant them or does not prove that they are citizens of India, Lordship. Other explanations doesn't matter much because he has failed to establish his linkage in 66 and 71 with his projected parents.
Now, what is the decision that the tribunal had discarded some of the voters' lists on the ground that those are translated copies? Now, there are two aspects. One is the aspect where the translation is made by the petitioner, the party. It's in English, it's in Assamese, so he translates it. So that is a different matter, where it can be verified with the vernacular. Now, here is a copy which has been translated by the office. So, and in that case, when a translation is done by the office, there is a particular procedure laid out how to prove it. Which case it has been
Translated with the office of the office of the.
office of the issuing authority. Suppose the page page 19, 18, and those are translated copies. Now this has to be authenticated. To be Sukumari Governor, but
18, 19.
suppose my exam easy example.
Translated copy.
Yes, come to page 13. Come to page 13. 13 is the translation done by the petitioner. Then 14 is the
that-
vernacular. Next 14 is the vernacular. So we can verify. But these are not translated
Translated.
copies.
Translated by the issuing authority.
Issuing authority. What is the law in that? For translated copies? Law has been propounded in a few of the cases. There is an additional burden.
I was referring to something, just finding it out. Lordship.
The authority has to adduce evidence. No?
Lordship, it is reported in WPC 2460 of 2016. Translated copy of voters list not 2460 of 2016.
Name?
Isiran Nesa, ISIRAN. Decided Nesa NESSA. Decided on 10/4/2018.
No, it should have been a reported case, right? It's not reported. It seems. This should have been a reported case, actually. Important enough to be reported case. But might have been reported, but seems no.
What is the
May read it well.
please?
Para-
On a careful and conjoint reading of the aforesaid provisions of the Evidence Act together with the definition of certified copy, we are of the unhesitant view that the translated copies such as exhibits A and D cannot be construed as certified copies and therefore cannot be treated as secondary evidence. This position is further strengthened if we look at exhibits A and D because there is no certification by the competent authority certifying that the extract are true copies from the original. We may also observe that those certified copies are admissible as secondary evidence. It would be so only if those are issued by the competent authority. Admission of photostat copies, even if attested by notary public, is improper and inadmissible in evidence under Section 653 of the Evidence Act. That apart, certified copies of documents, not to speak of photostat copies not coming within the ambit of clauses A or E of Section 65 would not be admissible in evidence. Opposed to Section 66. The main paragraph copies are
Is it numbered paragraph? Have you checked this man? This must have been, might have been reported also.
We'll check it. Should have been reported. Did you do over? It's an important. So what would make it admissible? The person issuing authority making an endorsement on those lines or adducing evidence.
certified copies and translated copies cannot be construed as certified copies and therefore cannot be treated as secondary evidence. Because there is no, and the position is further strengthened if you look at exhibits A and B because there is no I think competent authority certificate that the extracts are true copies.
Yes, that would have done. That would have served the purpose if there was a certification or the person has to adduce evidence.
Does not has anything.
People will not know,
combined
no,
with
they
the
do say.
family. It just brings father, mother together, not a single voter list, and even this certificate, I think. That was the other. Nothing proved lordship, though there are documents, but nothing is proved. And he kept on saying he didn't know when his father died, but the brother knew when the father died, 1983. He has not mentioned anywhere in his submissions or in his evidence when his father passed away. Somewhere it's written that 2 years after his father passed away, there's a shifting. When the village shifting is there, when his name appears, lordship, 1985, there it is mentioned that shifting was there because his
No,
father-
there is a statement that after 1970,
Yes.
the father died and he shifted to village Ishwar Jhari, part 1.
Yes.
Now, after 1970 and 1983, it's very vast difference.
13 years.
39. The brother says 1983 father died. If the statement would have after 1980, also 3 years gap. Now 13 years gap, and he says after 1970.
To that effect. Just merely picking up voters list and getting their names does not give them.
And so far as Majibur opinion is concerned, Abdul Quddus will also be applicable in this case. Res judicata is not applicable. So one branch.
Because his name never figures before 2015.
Together.
Together, they're nowhere. Only the common factor is Sodar. Sodar, Sardar Ali, that's the only thing.
No, that part Mr. Hawk has very fairly said that apart from this, there is nothing.
Had the father been alive, or and it was that would also have been some.
Anything else, madam? Any the citation, anything?
Discrepancies, lordship, voters list cannot be pick and choose. I'll have to find out the citation. Apparently having names in the voters list doesn't valid. WS is not disclosed, so I will have to rely on Jenny in also. I write it down and give it.
Okay. Yes, anything, Mr. Hawk?
The 4.1 values, so based on this, that to be true, which is better, yeah, exhibited for documents, after list of 1985 exhibit J1, J1. It is a it did not annex with this description, but it is in the record value because since it was exhibited, exhibit J1, the TW2.
J1 is what?
Then total list of 1985. That Mujibur Rahman, that were deposed father.
85. Yes, it's in the records.
No,
It's in the records, I think.
yes, it is.
So?
Since it is already exhibited, back with the other.
J1.
J1. J1. A.
Which page records?
Sorry, sorry. What is J1?
A1, my lord, is the voter list of 1985, where exhibited by the brother of the,
Mojibur.
yes, my lord.
He is alone. Son of Sadaruddin.
Yes, Sadar. Sir, you will find, my lord, there are varieties of names, my lord, there.
But alone. That is problem. Page 101 of the record. J1. Mojibur Khudeja. '85, 97 also you have. Exhibit, is it J, K, exhibit K. '97. Mojibur Rahman. See, these voters list which have been proved by D2, these are translated copies, but will not go to the aspect of translated copy in the strict manner, though it is required. Even if we accept this voters list, this will not create a link of D2 with the proceeding. The only link which you can probably harp upon is that D2 has been stated to be the son of Sadar Ali. And the proceeding also claims his father to be Sadar Ali. That is the only link we are trying to establish. You understood? Okay, anything? We close it, madam?
I want written statement and one was for this translated copy, which I want. The translated copy one is reported lordship. It is
Isiran is reported. We have told you it reported. 2020. 531. 21 to 23. And one more something else
This is reported in 17
regarding
written statement lordship. three GLG Lordship, 490.
2017,
Yes,
3
GLG,
GLJ
490.
419.
What's 90?
Name?
Muhammad Aisha Khatun,
Aisha.
HATUN Aisha Khatun.
What is the proposition?
Of the written statement. Notice facing his or her defense. Failure to disclose material particulars in the written statement by itself will raise a serious question mark on the paragraph 12, 18, 12 will suffice, Lordship. 12 and 19.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. No. Okay. She lied it. Yes, we'll take up those new matters. There are two new matters. Who knows it?
3 new ones.
26.
Please.
Or-
The motion, also. No, it's all
No, no,
19
no,
motions.
huh?
19 motions. Supply motion.
Motion that we have notice there is a motion of the case. মানে কি sorry,
It should be actually posted
No,
for
no.
hearing.
তোমার রুল কি রেকর্ড কল for motion একটা
Should be for
কোন
hearing.
অ্যাডভোকেট কোন
26 was listed, Lordship.
Pokrajar West.
Have you obtained some instructions which are waited?
You're awaiting the instructions.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner on call, para. Miss A. Verma, the Learned Standing Council Home Department has, however, submitted that by the previous order dated 6/5/2026, certain instructions were directed to be obtained, which, however, are still awaited. Full stop. See accordingly. Prays for some more time to enable her to obtain the instructions, para. On request, matter is adjourned to be listed on when? 8th of June, madam? Or 12th of June?
12th will.
12th of June. Yes, madam, what is this?
Review expert order, 086/2012.
7.
Spartan.
The petitioner has already been arrested, Lordship, and been, and is currently in detention center.
We'll have to call for the records, madam.
Issue of maintainability.
Yes, opinion of which year? Opinion of which year?
2012.
12.
12. Oh, my God. Your name, madam?
P. Das.
Heard Miss P. Das, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated so and so, passed by so and so, in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. The primary ground of challenge is that the opinion was rendered ex parte. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 12th, today is what? 19, 29, 12, no. 12 rahi na pao. On 19th of June, 2026. Union of India, anybody? No. Well, how can you grant an interim? You come and challenge after how many years? 14 years. We'll consider when the records will come.
On the next.
Union of India, anybody? Union of India,
Long time.
SS Roy, huh? 1. Then State of Assam, home, Madam Verma for 2, 4, 5, 6 also, 6.
Mr. Pine is there.
Okay, 2, 4, and 5. 3, District Commissioner, P. Sharma. And 6, J. Pang, Standing Commissioner, NRC. And 7, Election Commission of India, A. Ali. Extra copies. Call for the records. Registry to requisition. The learned counsel prays for an interim order. Full stop. The same is, however, resisted by the learned counsel for the respondents on, amongst others, the ground of gross delay in approaching this court. Para. In view of the above, the prayer for interim order would be considered after receipt of the records. No, লম্বা hearing now. Or it doesn't. Okay. A hearing will not be possible because this bench will not be there next week. And 2 o'clock will sit only for passing few judgments which are already listed in the supplementary list. কিবা order তো আছে নেকি matter? Receive এখানে? Yes, কি ওখানে আছে? Orders matters, are councils there? For notice or anything, for anything else?
Nobody's-
Sir, listen, file kar asylum. Order ho.
Not even-
एक मिनट रुको, Let's item 31. Contempt case. Who is the counsel? T. Kashyap. What is the matter about? Adil Khan.
Service matter.
Huh?
Arising on service matter.
Service. নালাগে কৰিব নালাগে একো নিলিখিলে
It will require,
নালাগে
council will be necessary.
2 o'clock will sit only for delivering the judgments.
লাগিব।
This was the case where the opinion of Bongaigaon FT number 2 was the subject matter of challenge. We have concurred with the opinion. We have dismissed the writ petition.
Item 3 WPC 7934 of 2019.
We have dealt with the submission regarding the aspect of the case of Rohim Ali, then Ban Singh and Dol Govinda Paricha and Motiur Rahman. We have distinguished the facts and we have dismissed the writ petition.